More news coming in right now ahead of ED versus DIDI hearing over I-PAC raids. Calcutta High Court issues advisory for that particular hearing. The High Court says that only senior counsels and their teams are allowed. Calcutta High Court bars public from attending that particular hearing. On the 9th of January, the hearing was adjourned due to commotion, and keeping that in mind, the High Court has now issued an advisory barring any sort of public presence for that particular hearing. Shristi Ojha, my colleague, has more details. Shristi, what more does the advisory suggest?
Well, Harshit, as we know, a few days back when the Calcutta High Court had heard the cases pertaining to ED's raids on the I-PAC office, the hearing had to be adjourned because of the chaos that had unfolded in the courtroom. Keeping that in mind, one day before the hearing, now the Calcutta High Court has issued an advisory very clearly stating that the entry to that particular courtroom during the hearing of the ED versus TMC case, the I-PAC matter, would therefore be regulated. Basically, only the senior counsels and the assisting counsels of both the parties involved would be allowed to enter the courtroom. The entire proceedings, although would also be live streamed. So the court has very clearly stated that if anybody other than the petitioners and the respondent wants to attend the hearing, they can do it virtually, but they would not be allowed to enter the courtroom. The hearing today would be, the hearing that would be held before the High Court tomorrow would be extremely crucial, because remember, after the last adjournment, we had also seen the ED move the Supreme Court, even though we didn't see any hearing happen before the top court as of now. But considering the charges that have been made by ED against TMC, including the fact that both the Chief Minister and the state police had shown overreach of authority, and the state police colluded with the West Bengal in flagrant disregard of law, all these statements have been made by ED before the High Court. So a very crucial hearing before the Calcutta High Court is expected tomorrow. Back to you.
Indeed, very crucial. Thank you so much, Shristi, for sharing all those details with us.